Good morning, everybody. Mike here. With all the nutrition classes going on, I just wanted to kind of go a quick rundown over MyFitnessPal. You can download this on your tablet, your cell phone, or you can just use it through myfitnesspal.com on your computer. So right now I'm using it on my computer, and essentially the concept of the whole app is the same. So the big thing is just make sure you make an account. You can do it through Facebook. It's a pretty simple process. The big thing we're going to use this for is just making sure we know how to log foods and understand how to read it. So once you make it, don't worry about the macros they try giving you. Just make sure you're hitting my macros that I gave you. So we'll go to the food tab here. As you can see, I've logged all my food for the day. So it does a running total of all the food you've eaten for the day. You have your total calories, your carbs, your fats, and your proteins. Now these carbs, fats, and proteins, or your macronutrients, are the ones you want to get to as close as possible. And then if you look down at the bottom, it'll show you a total. What you'll want to do with this total column, this top one, don't worry about your daily goal, but look at the totals column and make sure the carbs, fats, and proteins match the ones I've given you, okay? So to add a food, we'll go over here, and let's say we want to add something to breakfast. We'll do something that's pretty common, not for breakfast, but just a common food. Let's go with Dave's Killer Bread. We'll hit search there, and then let's go with Power Seed. Perfect. One serving of one slice, okay, and we'll add that to our diary. And if you look at it down here at the bottom, it adds it to our diary. One slice of Dave's Killer Bread Power Seed is 110 calories, 17 carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 6 grams of protein, okay? So I don't need that today, so I'm going to delete it. Some good advice for you to make sure you do this right. I mean, this is the app, but some good advice is try to see how I have my whole day planned out here. Try to do this for yourself the night before. That way you can look at your totals, and as long as you eat that food, that list of food the next day, you're going to be on point with your totals, and you don't go over and under, and you don't have to guess so much. All right? That kind of concludes our little tutorial on MyFitnessPal. It's very easy. You can play around with some of the other stuff like recipes, my meals, and get more familiar with it. But that's a general rundown. I'll be doing a lot more of these tutorials online. Go ahead and give me some feedback on what you guys want to learn about, and maybe I can set up some classes from those online and get as much information out to you as possible. All right, signing off for now. I hope it helps.